Recover permanently deleted photos from your iPhone. Hey guys! In today's video, I'll guide you through how to recover permanently deleted photos from your iPhone. Make sure to stick around till the end to explore all the recovery options. Let's get started! First, check the recently deleted album. Open the Photos app. Scroll down and find the recently deleted album. Select the photos you want to recover and tap Recover to restore them. If that doesn't work, try restoring from an iCloud backup. Make sure you have a recent iCloud backup that includes the deleted photos. Go to Settings, tap General, scroll down and select Reset. Choose Erase All Content in Settings. During the setup process, select Restore from iCloud Backup to recover your photos. You can also check iCloud Photos online. Open Safari and visit iCloud.com. Log in with your Apple ID. Scroll down and go to Photos and see if the deleted photos are still stored in your iCloud account. If none of these methods work, reach out to Apple support for additional recovery options. And that's it. Now you know how to try recovering permanently deleted photos from your iPhone. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.